In this video, you'll learn how tips are assigned at POS and how to add tips at checkout. To add tips at POS, tipping must already be enabled for your venue in the global POS settings in Venue Manager. Tip behavior is also set up ahead of time. This includes who tips are assigned to and how the tip amount is calculated. If your venue hosts parties, you can choose to calculate card terminal tips on the total booking value, not just the amount paid at the register. This helps ensure party hosts are tipped fairly, even when payments are split or collected in stages. To add a tip, open the booking in POS and select Tip. Choose the payment method. Then enter a custom amount or select one of the preset tip percentages. If card terminal tipping is enabled, the guest can also add a tip directly on the terminal during payment. By default, the tip is assigned automatically based on your venue's setup. Tips can be assigned to the booking host, the staff member logged in at POS, or a shared tipping pool. If needed, you can override the assignment before payment. Once you select Pay, the tip assignment can't be changed. Tip assignments and any notes added can be viewed later in the staff gratuity report. You now know how tips are assigned at POS and how to add a tip. You can now process fair tips for staff while keeping checkout smooth for guests.